to draw this very cool character. Let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big circle. And I'm going to come right next to it, about right here, and draw another circle. Now that I've got the circles in, I'm just going to come in here and give it one highlight here at the top and shade everything else in. And same thing over here. There. So now that we have the eyes in, let's come in between the eyes and we're going to draw a curve. So this is going to be the beginning of the mouth. I'm just going to draw a curve right there, and then I'm going to go curve underneath the eyes and then come up right here and curve down for a big wide mouth. So same thing right here. Just go under the eyes with a curve, and then we're just going to go all the way on the other side and round it off. From there, let's go ahead and connect this at the bottom with a big curve. Come towards the center about right here, and then go right back up. There, so nice big mouth. Then from there, let's come right back to the center, and we're just going to thicken this. So I'm just going to follow my top, come out, same thing over here, come out, and then right here I'm going to come in and follow my bottom curve. There, still cute, right? We haven't made him creepy yet. Then from there, let's add these amazing teeth that makes him creepy. So we're going to come about right here. I'll just start with these two center fangs, and then I'll add one in here. And so you can add as many as you want. Just come in here. So just notice as I'm drawing on this side, I'm curving this way, and on this side, I'm curving this way. And then for the bottom, let's go ahead and add as many as you can, whatever space you have. They can all be different lengths. It really doesn't matter. It's a huge mouth of teeth, right? Okay, so we have these fangs in. Then from there, let's go ahead. We're going to start to draw the head. So I'm going to come back to my center. I'm going to go nice and high. Let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And from there, I'm just going to start to zigzag a little bit. And same thing here. Just zigzag a little bit. And then I'm going to go back over here. And I'm going to taper a curve out. So this is continuing out. So we'll come out right here and zigzag a little bit as well. And here as well. It's very furry, so we're just creating this angular shape. So as we do that, let's come back here, and I'm going to start to connect. So just zigzag, a little bit pointy right here, and come right back and connect. So same thing over here. Go up, just like the other side, zigzag, and connect back. There. Okay, then I'll just draw a small curve right here over each eye. Not too creepy, right? Still pretty cute. Okay, so then now to draw the very long, slender body, I'm going to come about right here, and we're going to draw a curve down for these sloping shoulders. And then about right in this area, I'll give myself 2 points, and where the arms are going to start, and I'm going to go down for these really long arms. So let's bring this down more. And before I finish the arms, I want to come back in here, and let's say about right here. Right in the center, I'm just going to give myself a little curve. So this is where I know my body is going to be. Curve it out a little bit, and then I can go ahead, and this is where the legs are going to start. So I'm just giving myself some idea of where things are going to be. So let's come back right here and finish the hands. So let's bring these hands really low. So I'll say about right here, I'll stop, curve in, and I'm just going to thicken these arms. So as I come to the bottom, I'll zigzag a little bit just to make it look like fur and connect. So same thing over here. There, so now the arms in, let's go ahead and draw the hands. So right in here, pop out these long fingers and simplify it, making it longer at the bottom right here and connecting. So same thing here. Thumb, curve, and back up. Then now we can go ahead and start the legs. So let's come down, we're going to bring them out at an angle on both sides. So let's bring this down and about right here and pop out the other side. And I'm not going to make these legs too long because we want to make the arms look really long. So say about right here, I'll start to zigzag a little bit, just like the arms, and zigzag my way across. So same thing over here. And connect. And then at the bottom, we're just going to simplify, draw a curve for the feet. Curve it out, and we're just going to go ahead and connect. Nice and simple. Curve, pop out, and connect. There. Okay, so then now the finishing touch is to add a bow, right? So let's come right in the center. I'm going to draw a curve, and then the loops. One big loop, floppy bow. I'm going to come in here and thicken it up. And tail. And one more. And that is pretty much it for my version here of Huggy Wuggy from Poppy Playtime. I really hope you love how this turned out.